In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Windows 11 Home to Pro. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by going to your Windows 11 desktop. Click the Start button on your taskbar, then select the Settings icon to open the Settings app. Inside Settings, click on System from the left-hand sidebar, then scroll down and click on Activation. In the activation section, look for Upgrade Your Edition of Windows and click the drop-down arrow to expand it. If you already have a Windows 11 Pro product key, click Change next to Change Product Key. Enter your 25-character Pro product key, then click Next and follow the prompts to proceed. If you don't have a product key yet, you can purchase one directly. Click Open Store next to the upgrade option. This will open the Microsoft Store where you can buy the Windows 11 Pro upgrade. Once in the store, click the Buy or Install button and complete the checkout process. After that, return to the activation page and click Start to begin the upgrade process. Your system will begin upgrading and your computer will restart automatically as Windows installs the Pro features. Make sure to save all your work before starting since the process cannot be paused. After the restart, your system should now be running Windows 11 Pro with additional features unlocked. If you encounter any activation issues, double check that you're signed in with the correct Microsoft account that holds your license. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.